In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add calendar to Google Sheets. If you want a quick way for yourself or your team to pick dates without typing them, this will give you a clean date picker right inside your sheet. Start by opening Google Sheets in your browser. If you're in another Google app, open the Google Apps grid and choose Sheets to get there. From the Start page, decide whether you want to use a blank spreadsheet or open an existing one. Either option works. Just make sure you have edit access to the file. Once your sheet is open, click the exact cell where you want the calendar to appear. You can always expand this later to more cells, but it's easiest to start with one. Next, go to the top menu and choose Data, then select Data Validation. This opens a panel on the right side of your screen where you'll create the rule that triggers the calendar. In that panel, click Add Rule. Under Criteria, open the drop-down so you can choose the type of input your cell should accept. Select Date, so Sheets knows this cell should only allow date entries and will show a date picker. Now, you'll see a condition selector. Choose Date Is, and then pick Today. This setting tells Sheets to treat today's date as the valid value by default, which is handy for quickly logging the current date. You're not locked in, you'll still be able to click and choose any date from the calendar when you use the cell. Click Done to save the rule. With the rule in place, go back to your cell and double-click it. You should see the calendar pop up right away. Use the arrows to move between months and click the date you want. Sheets will insert it in a consistent date format, which helps with sorting, filtering, and formulas later. A couple of quick tips so this works smoothly. If you want the calendar available for a whole column, select that range before opening data validation so the rule applies everywhere at once. If you ever need to adjust the rule, return to data validation from the data menu and edit it from the right-hand panel. And if you see an error when typing a date, that's the rule doing its job. Use the picker or match the expected date format. That's it. You've added a clickable calendar to your Google Sheets, making date entry faster, cleaner, and less error-prone.